Hello, Dr. Danny and classmates. So here is my brief presentation about the assignment of Southwest Transit Airline. So we're going to talk about the team for marketing strategies in order to compete in the marketplace. Okay, so first we're going to talk about the team selection. So who are the four members that we're going to choose to work for this special team? So here's I choose Elizabeth, Caitlin, William, and Ian. So the reason that I chose four of them because they all kind of team players. Even though some of them they prefer working independently or working alone, but they still, happy to work with the team. So because of this is a team member work, so I try to choose the candidate that really fit for the team. Yes, that's the reason that I choose all of them. And the question is it difficult to choose all of them? I think it's not difficult, especially for the first three candidates. They are really fit for the team. And the number four is also good for the team. So that's why I say that is not difficult to choose if we compare to all 10 or the 6 members. And here's the potential difficulties that the team might face during the discussion of doing strategy. And there's some difficulty here, like defending own aspects, striving for perfection. They try to do the best, and lacking of trust, and preferring to work independently, and being unwilling to solve any conflict occur, struggling with listening, and being eager to share own ideas. So some of this might be the potential difficulties they will face and have to find their solution. They have to get into the agreement one way or another. And how about the strengths? What are the strengths of the team? So the strength of the team in this team, they have their own unique strengths, but we can composite all strengths together to develop great strategy. So their strength like problem solving, maintaining quality work to meet all requires deadlines, being engaged in challenging tasks, being creative and flexible, they were smart and tech savvy, and being interested in the subject matter. So because they are all interested in any projects that they're working on, so that is the strength for them that we believe they're going to make a great strategy to create a great strategies for the company. Okay, and a strength and weaknesses going together. So even though they have strength, they still have some weaknesses. So some weaknesses in the team, like inefficiency, okay, being a perfectionist, developing new skill. It might be hard for them to learn new skill, and overlooking details and being impatient with others that can, get into disagreement, and lacking focus at times, and hurrying to get the job done. So all of these are considering as their weaknesses. Okay, and go to the next slide about the positive. How how is the positivities of the management about the team? Okay, so even though we found that the time frame for them is limited and the budget might shortfall, but and they have some weaknesses, but the team, the whole company, the management team still believe or hope that the team is going to develop a great marketing strategies, you know, uh, establish a great strategies in order to compete in the marketplace. Okay, and this is what the management team uh, is hopeful about the team. Okay, and how about the conflict resolution strategies? So according to the resource, we've, I found 5 strategies that is great for conflict resolution. So I got collaborating, compromising, competing, accommodating, and avoiding. So all these 5 strategies are really great for conflict resolution, right? And how about the motivation theories? The motivation theory, motivation is great, to encourage employee to engage in all activity to benefit the companies as a whole. So we have like set goal to create meaning, okay, celebrate milestone big or small, provide meaningful feedback, empower problem solving and learning, follow through on promises, experiment and learn. So all these are motivation theories. How about the leadership strategy? So leadership strategy, we got like creating a vision, delegate and empower, promote two-way communication, give and receive constructive feedback, encourage a learning culture, and focus on employee experience. Okay, so all these are leadership strategy. And now we go to the last one. We don't have much time left, so I might go a little bit over. So for stakeholder values and business impact, okay, I'm gonna read the whole thing. In order to value stakeholders and create a positive impact on business as a whole, a team need to develop motivational strategies and employees engagement such as recognizing for great work performance, creating positive work environment, providing opportunities for professional and educational growth, encouraging all employees to contribute more inputs to promote positive ethical and behavioral practices, to engage in teamwork, to participate in decision making, and to use all their knowledge, experiences, skills, strength, talent, and abilities to make the company advance in success. And the last slide is the references, all the resources that I do the research in order to complete this assignment.